In a quiet village, a stray cat wandered into a garden and found a small rabbit trembling under the bushes. Instead of chasing, the cat lay beside the rabbit, offering warmth. Day after day, they shared meals, carrots for the rabbit, scraps of fish for the cat. They played under the moonlight, chasing fireflies and running through tall grass. When danger came, a barking dog, the cat stood its ground, protecting the rabbit. From that moment, their bond grew unbreakable. Not predator and prey, but two gentle souls, proving that true friendship knows no boundaries.